told me you were going to her house in a little bit.
I got the baby ones and I got the Sesame Street. I got the Sesame Street and I got some baby ones.
You're just gonna step on all of them?
Yeah, so I can show her.
Pick one.
I'm doing cow.
You wanna tell her what you're doing during nap time right now?
What?
No diaper during naps.
Just panties.
Wow, you're a big girl.
I'm going to look like grown up now.
She's like a grown-up
You're
now.
a grown up.
Basically.
Her hair's so long.
I know, it's gotten way too long. It's like, it's losing its like curls at the end.
Yeah.
I miss her little wispy hair.
Pretty.
All I wanted was for it to grow, and then
Whoa!
it's grown, and I'm like,
Her little tree's cute.
Whoa.
you like your tree? She insisted that we put it in here.
Mom, I want to tell you something. There's your special ornament
I
on it.
know, my special ornament from Germany.
Oh, nice.
It's very special.
Uh-huh. Can I see it?
Mm-hmm.
Can you lift me up, Aunt Lacey?
Look at her. She's holding her head up now.
I know,
I'm
she's so
going to
big.
tell
Are
you.
you so sweet?
He's smiling. Oh,
Aww.
Are you so sweet?
Aww.
Yeah.
She's
Whoa.
not so sweet.
You're wiggly.
Flying around.
You're wiggly.
Hi, did you hear Mama? Say Mama.
Who's that?
Say Mama. Say Mama.
She's trying.
I'm going to tell
You're
you something.
trying, aren't ya?
Ellie said Daddy first, so she needs to say Mama first.
We're done. It's off.
Oh,
So little.
big,
So little.
big hiccup.
Oh, look at you smiling. She's smiling at her Aunt Lily today.
Oh.
Oh.
You smiling?
Mine says sweet. And Lacey, mine says sweet in height, and Lexi says sweet in height.
Yeah.
We both have the same shirt.
Okay. We got the shirt on. Yay. Here we go. One
So
leg.
cute. She's loving it. Yeah, I'm gonna take my foot from you. You can't.
In the hole. In the hole. There we go. Other leg.
Like,
Okay. Okay. This one's harder.
she likes to make the hard
Oh
one.
no.
yeah.
This one's coming out. Oh gosh.
One goes in, the other comes out.
Oh, we're good. Okay. Okay.
Mommy, look if I put Lexi's bracelet on.
No,
This is a bracelet.
that's not a bracelet.
Yay!
I know.
Oh, right here.
Where'd it go?
I can get it.
Thank you.
Whoops.
Ooh, I like your shoes, Ellie. Those are pretty.
Yeah, I bought them from the store
You did?
with my mom.
So pretty. It's her first time to wear that bow. I love it. Sure you want a picture with Lexi?
Pretty girls.
Oh, pretty girls.
Too many girls.
Look at their matching shirts. Excuse me? Literally just sit down to eat,
Oh, both girls.
and she starts crying. Why? How does she know?
Maybe you hold me and maybe you hold me. Maybe you hold me. And Lacey hold Lexi.
You stealing my food?
What are you doing?
I'm not stealing food. I'm just sharing it. I'm making this picture.
Yeah. Who's it to?
It's from Santa for Santa.
No, we can do that. What do you want from Santa?
A princess pony I just said. Can I please have a princess pony for Santa? From Santa? Then you love to have a thought to be the beautiful song to be.
Right out. Nah, I ain't got no kids yet, but this right here's for practice.
Look at her head.
Get the seats in the Benz. Put down them tabloids. She said, I heard you got a main chick, a mistress is a combo.
You have her stocking.
including herbal
Look at
supplements.
your pretty stocking. Your grandpa made you.
If you've had certain liver problems.
Oh, it's so pretty, just like her headband. Look at Daddy. Show him how pretty you are. Look at her hair. She's got my. You got my hair. She's like, don't leave me, Mom. Don't leave me.
Oh, you had cheat codes.
My beautiful baby.
You told me.
Hi, baby. She loves TV. She does. Ellie didn't care about TV. This one, she loves it. You watching the game? She's watching the game. What are they doing out there? What are they doing? Grandpa will teach you. Grandpa will teach you.
And look at yours when you were a
So
baby.
pretty.
Cover, right?
This is the Impossible Burger. So it's vegan. Do you guys see the red? Alright, I'm gonna try to focus. You see? It's like pink. And that's his cow's muscle. Did you hear what I called it? It's cow's muscle.
It's delicious.
My baby. My baby.
Been going nuts or something?
Hi. Am I a
Not really.
Hungry.
Did you miss me?
Sorry.
No, I didn't miss you. I want to stay here and watch it.
You're super nice. All right. Ready? We've got, who's next? We've got Angel. Is an Angel up?
Yep.
Be very careful. Hold it with both hands. Do not drop it.
Oh, let me see baby Jesus.
Put it up there.
Now I want to see you Jesus. Where's Mary?
Let's look at our bag.
Huh?
You okay? What's in here? Oh, who's that?
Mary.
Mary.
And where's the wise men?
Those are the wise men.
How they're over there?
Those are the shepherds. Who's this? It's a sheep. Here for the shepherds. What else do we got? Hey Riley, you want to get the baby?
I can hold on.
Or just talk? You want to just talk to her? Who is that? That's a donkey.
That's a donkey. That's a donkey.
Donkey. What's next? Who are we missing?
May I put the wise men and the donkey? What's that?
It's a cow. And that's it. All done. Okay. You gonna come say bye to the vlog? Bye. Have a good day.
Bye. Bye. No.